Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devi and you are watching Just Devi Marie. So today I'll be talking a little bit about natural hair rules that I personally do not follow. So if you guys want to see that, stay tuned. So I just want to give a disclaimer. This is what works for me. These are the things that work for my hair. I've been natural now for a couple years, from about 2017 I believe I've been natural, and I've done a lot of trial and error. So I don't want anybody at me in the comments. This is what works for me. Personally, I believe that you should do what works for your hair, right? Also, I want to remind you guys to subscribe if you haven't as yet. Let's see. What emoji can you leave in the comments to let me know you're watching? What about the girl washing her hair? If you guys can find that emoji, please leave it in the comments letting me know that you are tuned in to Just Devi Marie. Also, I want to remind you guys to follow me on Instagram. Remember to like this video. Probably should have just stop right here so and like the video before we're going further. Alright, cool, you like it? Perfect. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So the first thing that I want to say, or the first rule that I don't really follow, is pre-pooing. Now pre-pooing, them say, is like using like a conditioner in your hair before you actually go ahead to shampoo your hair. Now to me, I find that step very redundant. I'm somebody that wash my hair every week, so I don't really see it necessary to condition my hair and then to use a shampoo to wash out back when I just condition, for then condition again. That one then me not follow. Me do the pre-poo. I'm not saying that if your hair has a lot of tangles and whatever, you can't go ahead and do that, because it might help you in your wash day process. But what I'm saying is I don't do it because, for one, it takes up too much time, and two, it's not really necessary. I don't see it as necessary. The next thing that I don't follow is co-washing. I do not co-wash. I remember I tried co-washing before, and when me tell you my scalp itch out my daylight, itch out my daylight. I just feel like my friend always uses this to describe a co-wash. Like a co-wash is you're applying lotion to your dirty skin. You know, it just feels sticky, like it's not cleaning your hair. It's like moisturizing your hair, so it's not removing all the dirt and grime. To me, that's how I see co-washes. And trust me, I have used specific brands that say they are co-washes and it just does not work for me. So I'm not do the co-wash thing. Another waste of time in my opinion. Another natural hair rule that I don't follow is the rule that says that you're only to use shampoos that don't contain sulfates, parabens, whatever. Look here, you see some of them sulfate free shampoo there, I feel like they do not cleanse or they do not clarify my hair the best. Now I'm somebody that struggles with like itchy scalp, flaky scalp, and I am someone who styles my hair one time for the week until I'm ready to wash again and style again. So one time for the week, but over here I'm gonna do nothing else to it. All I might do is probably like do my edges, or if I'm catching up my hair in a puff, I might use some gel and some water or something to catch it up. But usually I do not do anything to my hair in between washing my hair. So that to me means that I'm gonna need something to clarify my hair, because the products that I'm putting in my hair, one, have to last and they have to be moisturizing, so therefore I have to apply a good amount of product. And the whole sulfate free thing and the whole moisturizing shampoo, it don't do it for me, because when we finish wash, my scalp still end up itch me, so I'm gonna have to clarify every week, every time. Me not the oh no this, no that, no this, no that. And sometimes too, when I apply some of those things to my hair that are all natural or don't have this and don't have that, like it just does nothing to my hair. Like I feel like it's not enough. My hair does not feel moisturized, it does not feel soft, and it doesn't feel any different either. The next rule that I do not follow is I do not use rinse out conditioners in the traditional way that they say they use it. I can use a rinse out conditioner as my deep conditioner. You guys know, if you have ever watched my favorite products video, I'm gonna put it in the cards and also in the description box. You guys know that I love the Aussie Moist conditioner, which they consider a rinse out conditioner. Now I can use that as a moisturizing deep conditioner. I don't think that it makes sense to me to use a rinse out conditioner, rinse it out, and then do a deep treatment or a mask or whatever the case is. Like, to me that is redundant. That don't make any sense to me. So what I do with my rinse out conditioner is I can use it by itself as a deep conditioner, or I can actually use it to help with split, because the rinse out conditioners help to detangle my hair really well. So what I will do is use it to detangle my hair, and then on top of that I would apply my deep conditioner or my treatment mask or whatever. So I don't apply a conditioner, rinse it out, and then apply a mask. I apply two of them in the same sitting, and that gives me perfectly fine results. I have no issues when it comes on to moisture in my hair when I do things like that. The next thing that I do not follow is using my products as they are marketed to. And what I mean by that is, sometimes we get products and we use them in a particular way. So say for instance you buy a deep conditioner, and this is my own personal experience too. I have bought a deep conditioner before and I use it in the way that the company marketed it as a deep conditioner, and it did nothing for my hair. Now I just want to mention too that I have high porosity hair, so my hair loses moisture very quickly, right? And my hair also soaks up, like it soaks up product, like for real. So like thick products are like my best friend. Thick products, my hair love thick products, right? So I use that deep conditioner and I was like, this nah make it, this mask nah make it. And I said, you know what, I'm gonna try and use it as a leave-in, or when I'm doing twists I'm gonna try and use it. So that's basically what I did, and I found that it works for me. Now usually a lot of people will bash products and say, oh no, it's the worst deep conditioner, I will never use this again. But sometimes you just need to adjust what you're doing, maybe use the conditioner or use the product, whatever it is, in a different way to see how best it can work for your hair. I'm somebody who don't like to waste money, and so if I would have spent my money on a product, either I'm giving it away or I'm finding another way to use it in my hair. Basically I'm repurposing that product. I don't just dash it away, or I don't just beat it down either, because it can be used to do something else. So that's another rule that I don't follow. I don't just bash products just because it don't work in one way or the way that the company markets it to. I see how I can use it and adapt it into my hair care routine. Another thing that I do not follow is moisturizing and sealing my hair every day. Now, as I mentioned before, I am somebody who does my hair once for the week, and I just do it. Most that I would ever do is probably use some gel on the frizzy sections of my hair, which is usually on this side. That side usually gets a lot frizzier pretty quickly, so I might, and that's not an all the time thing, I might put some gel on it just to ensure that it is actually defined and not frizzy. But for the most part, I work on my hair one time on the weekend, and that's supposed to last me till the next weekend. So the whole moisturizing and sealing thing is not very practical for me. I wouldn't mind consider me a lazy natural or whatever, but that's just what works for me. I do not moisturize and seal every day. For one, I have a lot of hair products that are expensive, and to me, if I can style my hair one day for the week and I can find a routine that works for me in terms of moisture and definition and all that, I don't need to be putting products in my hair every single week, and I find that that works for me. Some other people, they may not be fortunate in that way, but for me, the whole moisturize and seal thing every day and refreshing your hair every day, not for me. I don't see the sense in it. I do not do it. Another natural hair rule that I don't follow is protective styling. I don't do protective styles, and you guys might be like, what, you crazy? Look here, do what works for you. But I don't do protective styling because, one, as I mentioned, my hair, my scalp is like, I have very itchy scalp, and anytime anything foreign go on my hair, when I say foreign I mean braids, wig, other kind of extensions or anything like that go on my hair, it just does not like it, and it immediately starts to itch me. It's almost like it's rejecting it. So like, I don't do protective styling, none at all. I feel like my hair, once you take care of your hair, meaning you condition it, deep condition it, treat it, trim your ends on a regular basis, I don't really necessarily see the need for protective styling in my case. Also, I live in Jamaica, which is tropical, so it's not like I need to put away my hair for like winter so that it doesn't dry out or anything like that. So I don't really see protective styling as necessary for me at all. And sometimes, honestly, protective styling can be very expensive to me. Like, I don't have $12,000 to be spending to the braids. I don't have $30,000 to be spending on hair to make a wig and then pay somebody to make it and whatever. Like, I just cannot afford it. I feel like it's not necessary to me. I like doing my hair, so I don't have a problem doing my hair, but the few times that I have put in braids in my hair, like, my scalp never pleased, she upset, she mad, she angry with me, she a cry, she a bawl, she a scream. So I never, I don't think protective styling is really for me. The only time that I might put in braids or anything like that is maybe if I want to change up my look, but I don't know, I love my natural hair. I like how it looks, and I feel like my hair, the way it is already very versatile. I can wear it anywhere that I want to wear it. I also want to say that for me, protective styling is a style that actually covers your hair. So I don't think twisting my own hair, like doing mini twists or anything like that, is a protective style. I think that is a low manipulation style. So yeah, because I'm not putting anything over my hair to cover my hair to protect it from anything. Like, it's still out there in the open. It's just that I'm not manipulating it because I've twisted it up and I've put it away. So yeah, I don't agree with protective styles at all. It's just not the thing for me right now. My hair is thriving just as it is, so I don't do protective styles. Fight me. Another thing that I would say that I do not follow is actually when they say that you must trim your hair every 3 months. For me, I trim my hair when it's necessary. If it go past 3 months and in my hair it's not necessary, I'm not trimming it. Or if it's before the 3 months, I'm not trimming it. Basically what I'm saying is, look at your hair, examine your hair. You know what your hair is supposed to look like. You know how your end is supposed to feel. You know how your hair in general is supposed to feel. And if it don't feel that way, more than likely you probably need a trim. So you can't just use what a natural hair community says to just say, alright, this is how I'm gonna know. You have to do trial and error. You have to learn your hair. And to me, guys, learning your hair is very important on your natural hair journey. And yes, it's going to take a lot of time and patience, but trust me, when you get a routine that really works for you, like, you're good. Like, you're literally good. You will find that the routine becomes a lot easier and it doesn't become so draining, because trust me, doing a natural hair can become very, very draining. Another thing that I would say I don't follow as a natural hair rule is using hair grease. One of my favorite products to seal in moisture in my hair is the Blue Magic coconut oil. I've been using that thing since high school, so that's like 10 years or more that I've been using that. And I must say that I don't know, it just helps keep my hair very hydrated throughout the week. As I tell you, I wash my hair once a week and I don't do anything to it in between that time. So it keeps my hair very moisturized. It keeps my hair, it kind of keeps frizz at bay too, and it also works very well with the products that I love to use. So the creams, the heavy creams that I use and the gels that I use, it works very well with those products. So grease, me use it, I don't have a problem with it. Yeah, it works well in my hair, so that's another thing that I do not follow. So overall, guys, I just want to say this to you guys, and I probably mentioned it before, but I just want to reiterate, you have to do what works for your hair. You cannot go out there and listen to everything that Devani said, because Devani might say some things today that she don't follow, but you follow it because it works for your hair. So I don't need nobody at me. You understand what I say? Do what works for your hair. Learn your hair. That is so important. Learn your hair and then do what works for your hair. Yes, you can try things, and if you try it and it don't work, you move along. Not because such person said it have to work mean that it have to work for you. So do what you know is best for your hair. That's something that I really want you guys to bear in mind. I want to thank you guys for watching another video, another Just Devi Marie video. I want to remind you guys to subscribe if you haven't. Please remember to comment the girl washing her hair in the comments to let me know that you're watching. Also follow me on Instagram at Just Devi Marie. Also give me a like if you like this video. If you reach this far, you must can give me a like. Also, I want to ask you guys to please share this video if you found this video funny, entertaining, edifying in any way. Please go ahead and share it with your friends and fam. Also, check out the previous video on my channel. I'm going to put the thumbnail on the screen and also in the cards and in the description, so you guys can easily find my previous video. Also, remember, I have another channel called Yardments, and I would appreciate if you guys went over to Yardments and subscribe to that channel. Also, remember that I do have a jewelry link if you like any of the pieces that you see here that I wear in most of my videos. I have a link below in my description that I would love to shop love for you to shop through, okay, if you are interested in any of these pieces. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you in my next episode, guys. Bye.